For any triangle ABC, show that ABCS times the product sine of A over 2, sine of B over 2 and sine of C over 2 equals delta squared. Let us begin. Now first, what we'll do, we'll try to understand the terms that we have used here in the problem. Before proceeding, let's try to understand the formulas and the different terms that are being used in the problem. To begin with, we're going to consider a triangle ABC. The sides opposite to angle A, angle B and angle C are going to be represented by the letters A, B and C in lowercase, respectively. When we take the sum of the three sides, that gives us the perimeter of the triangle, and if we take half of that perimeter, that's going to give us the semi-perimeter, which is denoted by the letter S in lowercase. So this is the S that's present on the left-hand side of the expression. Now, we also can find out the area of the triangle, which is given by the square root of S multiplied to S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So this is also referred to as the Heron's formula for finding the area of a triangle. Next, we need to specify the half angle formula for sine A over 2, sine B over 2 and sine C over 2. Sine of A over 2, that's given by the square root of S minus B times S minus C whole divided by BC. Similarly, we have the half angle formula for sine of B over 2 and sine of C over 2. Now let's start from the left hand side. So here we have A, B, C times S. Now we're going to take the product of each of sine of A over 2, sine of B over 2 and sine of C over 2. So that means we have the square root of S minus B times S minus C divided by BC multiplied to sine B of 2. So that's S minus A times S minus C whole divided by AC multiplied to sine C over 2. So that's given by the square root of S minus A times S minus B divided by AB. So this will be equals to, we have A, B, C times S. We're going to take the product of all the three square roots. We have the square root of S minus A squared multiplied to S minus B squared times S minus C squared whole divided by, we have A squared, B squared, C squared. Now it's a perfect square inside the square root, so we now have A, B, C, S multiplied to S minus A times S minus B times S minus C divided by A, B, C. Now we can factor out A, B, C from the numerator and the denominator, which leaves us with S multiplied to S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. However, we can also express it as the square of the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Now this is the Heron's formula, which gives us the area of the triangle. Now that means this will be equals to delta squared, which is the expression on the right hand side. So here we have successfully proved our problem. ABC is multiplied to sine A over 2 times sine B over 2 times sine C over 2 equals to square of the area of the triangle.